Hey everyone, I have an awesome website for you to look at. It's called helpstopsnoring.org. It's a website dedicated on ways to stop snoring. There's a bunch of posts on this website. A couple of them are how to stop snoring, why do we snore, and different devices that you can use to stop your snoring. There's a post about CPAP machines, snore pillows, exercises, throat sprays, how to sleep when someone is snoring, nasal strips, mouthpiece to stop your snoring, sleeping posture and snoring, and snoring earplugs for people that don't want to hear their significant other or relative snore. Well, that's the website. It's again www.helpstopsnoring.org.